Good morning and welcome to Coyote Classics. Today we're going to be doing a walk around and test drive video on a 1971 Mustang Mach 1.
It's a pretty car, D.
It is. Good color, got nice paint on it.
It's got very nice paint, especially when we get to the door jambs and stuff like that. They did a heck of a job. All the fenders, doors, everything was taken off when they did it. This car turned out great. Engine bay looks good. Do you see what I'm talking about? The bottom side of the hood is absolute show quality. Beautiful paint, inside and out. This one does have power steering, power brakes. We've got a couple little things to do to this one yet. We got all the pictures and stuff done. I just wanted to get this video up here. I got a new wiper motor coming for it. Just a couple different things we got to fix, but it's a great driver.
It is.
They went ahead and put the aftermarket headlights, the newer style headlights in it. All new front bumper. This is a true 1971 Mach 1. It's got the rear slats, front spoiler, rear spoiler.
71 is definitely the best looking between the 71 to 3.
It is, and that's the chrome bumper. You could get, you know, I like the chrome bumper on these, and we got a 73 sitting right up there. Nice low mileage one that'll be coming to the web as well. But how do you beat this red one with the rear slats, you know what I mean? Correct Mach. Just a fantastic looking car. Make sure you check out all the photographs of it at our website, coyoteclassics.com. There you're also going to go ahead and see the undercarriage. We did about 15, 20 pictures of that. Hood fits nice, even in the back here. Fits good, both sides. Body line lines up really nicely. Nice gap from top to bottom. Here's just, I took it down the road. It's just got a little bit of road grime there. But as far as the paint goes, no bubbles, no blisters, no issues anywhere on the lower door. Rocker, quarter. The bottom of the door fits the quarter panel excellent. This is a really nice car.
It is sharp.
I mean, definitely show quality car you can take to any show and be proud of. Trunk lid fits real decent as well. Tail light lenses, they look like they've been replaced. Front and back bumper has been replaced. They're gorgeous. And look at that exhaust. I mean, you can hear a cackle to it, but I mean, you got like a 3-inch dual exhaust on there. Back of the quarter panel is excellent as well. Tire tread's good all the way around. The exhaust has got glass pack, so that's what that little back cackle is. Easy change if you want something to sound differently, right? Everyone has their own preference. But the bottom, like I said, all the jam paint is as wet looking and as nice as the rest of the car.
Yeah, they did a really nice
even
job
went
with
ahead and
paint.
painted the inside of the trunk. You know, obviously not, they didn't clear it, but it's all based. Base coat looks good there. Trunk solid. Body's laser straight. We open up that door, and this is what I'm talking about. Just gorgeous. Get my shadow out of the way so you can get a little better look at it. We had a really nice one that was what, probably about 20 grand more than this one.
Yep.
It was just that over the top even, but this one, as far as paint-wise, going right up to it is just as nice.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Yep.
We just got a few little mechanical things to do to it yet, but it's really a nice job. Door jamb paint is perfect. Which I'm talking about even in here. Front corner of the door is excellent. Dash pad's beautiful. I love the steering wheel. Got a nice aftermarket radio in it. Dash is all nice. Seats are nice, front and back. Carpet's been replaced. I like what they, usually I don't like when people put speakers in, but I like what they did, Dalton, on these back. Yeah. I mean, that's good looking.
It is.
Turned out really nice. If you got a Mach 1 at home, you might want to look where they put these speakers. It really turned out good. Back shelf's great, headliner's new, LED dome light, and the headliner's super tight. Like I said, beautiful paint, beautiful interior.
Yeah.
It's got the flip down gas lid. Gives you a really good idea without our shadows in the way of just the quality of the paint.
Then they got discs on the front, drum on the rear for the brakes.
Yep, that's exactly how it would have came. Bottom of the door, you can't get them to line up any better than that. Nice and smooth on the quarter. Rocker, same thing with the fender. I mean, the gaps, the body lines, everything's awesome on it. If you're gonna pick on anything at all, it would just be right here. This is that little bulge right there on that side of the hood. Is it like that on that side too?
Yep, on this side too, just on the front.
That's a long hood, you know?
Yeah, they are.
But they have it perfect here and perfect in the front.
Yep.
You know what I mean? But on that, again, door is awesome. Door jamb paint, rubbers, felts have all been replaced. It does have a remote mirror. And even the paint and stuff on the dash, very, very nice job there. I'm gonna put your seat back to you and get it all the way back. You gotta lift the lever. There you go.
There we go. Now that's more like it.
Seats line up nice. Let's drive it, shall we? Another thing I like about 71 2s and 3s, look how far, I mean, you can get a good
There's a lot of room in
picture of it, but that seat goes way back.
Yeah. Yeah, they're a comfortable car to drive. Some of the earlier Mustangs, there's just not much room in them.
So our dome light works.
Get the camera flipped around there so you can see that. There you go. Headliner's nice too.
Yeah, beautiful. So it's got a very nice radio in it. I don't know how to turn it on. We might have to pull it. I couldn't figure it out. I've already been messing with it. Maybe this one too. We might have to just see if we got power to it or find out what the deal is. Is there any history on it? No?
Nope,
The glove box is nice.
Yeah.
Starts good. The horn does not work and the clock doesn't work, okay? Gas gauge works. Wait till oil pressure goes way up to high here as soon as it gets coming up.
Oh, it's the original dash. Must have been a piece broken that they kind of fixed there. It's way up top, so you don't really see it when you're sitting in here, but just wanted to point that out.
Heater fan works. I just had that all going.
Nice. Wipers will work, like Chad said. We have the motor coming for those.
Gas gauge works. Look at the oil pressure.
Yeah, good oil pressure.
Yep. We'll see if the temp gauge works here in a little bit.
We're to get some air flowing through, maybe help with the allergies.
Gosh dang, terrible. There you go. I had the window down a little too much and it rattled a little. This car runs really good.
It does.
Here's our disc brakes. Really nice pedal all the way to the top. There again, all these cars, we go through the brakes, we pull the drums, we make sure the drums are turned if they need it, all that stuff. So go through the gears. It's got some power.
It does, yeah.
Taking off, doesn't it? I'm impressed with it.
Yeah.
It's got a great tranny. I mean,
There's a glass pack.
It runs awesome.
It does.
Little glass packs. Brakes are perfect. There's one other thing we have to do is the speedometer. Like I said, we did a lot of stuff to it and it kind of, Mark didn't get everything 100% finished before it went to detail, but I know we've had a lot of people asking about it, so I wanted to get on there. So we'll make this, so the wiper motor is going to go on it. We're going to fix that speedometer, okay? Clock, obviously we're not going to mess with. A horn, we can always put a horn button on it, but temperature gauge is working too. So all the factory gauges except for that speedometer is working.
Good deal.
Let's go ahead and just start off and drive now that we got her going, huh? It steers perfect, handles perfect. I'm very impressed with it going down the road.
Yeah, goes down the road nice. Nice smooth shift there. And
yeah, but going through the gears manually, that thing really had a nice, crisp, solid tranny.
Yeah.
I'm very impressed with it.
Good car. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.